Hey guys, welcome back to Creating Hanley. My name is Kimberly here at Creating Hanley, and look what I got! I got a package. What could possibly be in here? Yeah, what could possibly be in here, right? So, it's just, just ground shipping. Nothing special. Nothing to see here. Oh yeah, there's a lot to see here. I don't actually remember what I ordered. Now, I ordered two different orders from the same company. This is from Fat Quarter Shop. Boop. Fat Quarter Shop. I've never ordered from Fat Quarter Shop before, so Fat Quarter Shop, I'm giving you a shout out. I'm going to use my paper cutting scissors. My mail opening scissors, not my fabric scissors. And we're going to see what's in here. Let's take a look. All right. What do we got in here? So, I ordered a lot of crap in here. Oh, this was an expensive purchase. All right, so what do we have in here? Oh, there's the paper. Oh, look at all these things that I ordered. All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know what? This was all the cat stuff. This is all the cat stuff. These are all the cat fabrics. Check it out. That was so cute. That was adorable. Look at that. It's adorable to me. I just thought those cats look kind of like spooky. Scared a little bit. Like, they're like big eyes and like, wow, all looking up. I don't know. And now I got a bunch of cat fabrics in here, and this might be a panel. So let's take a look. Let's see what we got. What did Kimberly order from Fat Quarter Shop? What did this Kimberly order from this Kimberly at Fat Quarter Shop? Let's take a look. Oh, I got this fabric, cat fabric. So this was my cat kick. That's right. I wanted to make a cat quilt. And so I'm just collecting all different kinds of cat fabric. They don't have the same colors, they don't have the same themes, just different cat fabrics, obviously. Check it out. And all of my cat fabrics are going into the same quilt. Look at these little ones with little peachy cheeks. I just thought that was cute. So we got this one. What's the green in here? Oh, look how they did that. They put two of these together. Check it out. This is the Halloween cat fabric. I'm going to separate these because I don't want them together. Yeah, that's cool. And I love Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday. So to have a cat, and black cats are my favorite cats. So this is like absolutely perfect. Yep, there's that. There's this black and white. I also wanted to make a black and white quilt, and this might end up in the black and white quilt too. But there's more fabric on the inside here. You can see all these. So these must be the same cutting sizes. I think I just got half a yard. So these cats are upside down. Let me show you these. Look at these guys. They're like swimming. I don't know. There's a unicorn cat, and there's a cat in a box, and fragile. A cat with yarn, of course, a typical cat with yarn. I just thought these were cute. And the cat with a teddy bear. Look, the cat has his own teddy bear. I just thought it's so adorable. I just had to have this one. And then this one is just like psychedelic, really cool. I love this. Oh yeah, and here's more cat Halloween cat fabric. And I just, this is like super colorful and psychedelic too. I really like this one. So, and the fact that these cats are a little bit, like they have this embellishment. Like, look, this embellishment, this embellishment, this embellishment. Yeah, especially like on the chest of this cat and on the forehead up here and like this. I just thought that was super cool. because I actually draw. I draw pencil art, and that's the kind of stuff that I draw. Which is another thing on Creating Hanley that I haven't shown you yet, but that's something that I could do, but I normally just do the quilting. And in the previous video, I showed you some pottery that I did not do, but again, my channel is called Creating Hanley. And eventually, I'll put some kind of painted furniture on here too, because I do that as well. But yeah, check it out. So there's a Halloween. And this one, cute. And this one you saw already. Oh man, yeah, this is all cat fabric. So we got more in here. Oh, I bet they had a field day at the ordering department. They're like, she wants a half a yard of all the cat fabrics. They're probably thinking, Kimberly. Yeah, I do. Yeah, because Joanne's not here anymore. So, yeah, now you get to deal with me. Check it out. I love it. Like all these different cats. Yeah, all of these fabrics are going into a cat quilt. Is the whole quantity going into the cat quilt? No. Just little pieces of them. But, oh, I got more Halloween fabric. And check this out. This was kind of whimsical as well. In a different way. So, I like that. Does this have butterflies on? No, these are not butterflies. These are flowers. There's flowers up here, and there's flowers over here. Yeah. So that is cool. And the Halloween fabric. And, oh, this one. Garden cats, because I also garden, and I did start a gardening channel, so, but I haven't, it's called the Rebel Backyard Gardener, but I haven't put anything on there in a couple years, so nothing's updated on that. But I just thought, look, the cat in the hammock. I actually have a picture in my massage studio of a cat sleeping in a hammock that says relax. So I just thought it was cool. And the cat in the wheelbarrow. And yeah, you know, so this is all this was the cat order. That's right. I did order 2 separate orders from Fat Quarter. And this was the cat order. And look, this one has like cat breeds on it, which I thought was kind of nice. Now, not all the cat breeds in the world, but I thought that was pretty cool. And, ooh, some black cat fabric I see in here. This just, oh, striking. I just love this. Check it out. Look at that. I just love that. I love that fabric. The cats. Some of them are looking really mean. Like, look at this one right here. He looks really mean. He's like, don't take my picture. And what is this last one? Maybe this is just, I just got, what is this, a yard? I think just a yard of cream or muslin or whatever this is, just as a border or background or something to tie it all together. I'm not exactly happy with this quality, actually. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. That's the trouble. Now that you can't go into a store to actually look and feel the feel the fabric to see what the quality is, that makes it a little bit more difficult. But yeah, and there you go. And that is the cat order from Fat Quarter Shop. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. I appreciate all the work you did to cut all of these cat fabrics for me. They will go into, eventually they'll go into a cat quilt. And then the scraps, of course, the little crumbs. Oh yeah, you know I'm going to be sewing with those crumbs. Now I'm not sure if I should put the cat the black cat in the Halloween box or in the cat box? That sounded weird, the cat box. So in my organization over here, I have, like colors, red, yellow, green, blue. I have black and whites, which, again, should this go in the black and white or should this go in the cat? And then I have themes like Christmas, Halloween, horses, and cats. And I'm not sure if I should put like the specific Halloween cat into the cat or into the Halloween box. What should I do, guys? How would you organize it? Let me know. So I have 3 Halloween cats. So how would you organize that? Or would you put it in color, like this is green and this is orange? And I don't know what this is, neutral, I guess? I don't know. Or this would definitely go into Halloween because it has pumpkins and spider webs. I don't know, but then so does this. So tell me what you would do. How would you organize these Halloween cats? Would they go into the cat box organization? Or would they go into Halloween box organization? Look at all this fabric. I love it. Ah! So tell me what you would do. All right. And on that note, I will see you in the next episode. It may be an unboxing of because I ordered another order from Fat Quarter Fabrics. Or it could be an actual video that I still owe you for June. And it's the last one. It's called Crossed Star. Wait, hang on. It is... It's this one right here. Look at that. Yeah, this is... Oh, Star Crossed. Star Crossed. So, I still owe you this video. I haven't done the video yet. I owe that to you. So, we'll put that together. But in the meantime, let me know what you would do with this. All right, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.